to do 300 300 and something, and I did close to 200. I operational. And it's for by almost say, sab automation. I mean, yeah, no, or phone to me, your fool on the end diverty, and so they won't use it. Or mama and I a white elephant is you. And so now our premise fuel on the various outlets near the fuel one tank. Track kogumwa and kofonu budi kwa eposo esamba ebenye biwom because of for interest in tea and then they have stopped it.
There be intino policy ebeboa you say yanshe that and like this one, let me clap for you because manti premix and tokwa from when I most start here automation no manti premix and tokwa bio to say
yes.
So, in the any smart government, why wouldn't you want to continue something like that?
Or sending call for better divert here, so we're on many security. And I mean, person or man never bought caninti, but we may person or man never bought caninti, or see any automation.
You, mammy, Juma, why and a dorsal? You go have baby. Now, maybe say, be sending an apostle. Getting off Yaman for chance. Now, or maybe say some questions. Media personally, I am a de throw. Opening me buy and me better see a media and press conference say, yeah, mamma, Juma, why ye, damn, see, I know why you go up. Me up a siapia, me Nico who be no, throw. In fact, now MP before that Kayanwa to a man crofway a Juma desa or no Mahamankasa, His Excellency in the Chrome, Bolle Bamboy. Damn nibi wo ho a wo mu yusu etumi ka se bi ni ho nti se anya joy news for no mu di project na chi a wo mutumi twetwa bi a yehu se evidence wo wa na nka NDC for ababy di tro na 2022 na me DC me call Ghana me nya opportunity ko Jubilee House them say that time na ye cabinet day say it was a Thursday or something today cabinet day na esre kakra dey na so fa cheme dia one say ministers ni na awie na tiefo ase we mu me fansere ministers ni na awie na omupie no who say ya boys be gina mo nchen and I'm talking army for one for yeah so minister we pia oh we dia jan mo bi ankoje ne back me papa I'm a quarter road minister obi amen ministers ni bi pia obi amen nti omo sila omo gina we say when am say say me the picture bi to so guy bi gina me ti papo nti when am say papo say obatampa ba na okọ obatampa ba no the way ya army openi soldier for wo mu kura homa police for kura homa dimirike free shed na se a adenti obatampa benti no omo be kra no wako and woni bibi unknowingly to me how akumsin ojo nse na me so me staff ani bi etunu se me ba na so eja omo obi akakra ma obi ade akudidi because that's no atampa ni nsem ya ne yam ye wo enti you know and oyi bi so ma me so na me so mpacho the media I want to take a picture with you personally and introduce me man and say oh Sapia Canada boy no ni o na obi ana oni me to be honest the way ya mami enemy relate here sir o de ya momo famra office why just that word we know first time we shana ya so Felix Apia ni ye keke no the acknowledgement or the mami who said there woman way and yes or yen wo camera so keke naturally that's who she is naturally.
How do you assess the government of President Mahama 10 months down the line?
It's a government of deception, full of deception.
How?
But this is a government who says that you appoint 60 ministers. Nothing more. Okay? Now.
But we don't have the 60 ministers. We have them.
Wait. Hold it. Today, all regional organizers of the NDC have been officially appointed as presidential staffers. Presidential staffer is coterminous with a deputy minister. So they have 16 deputy ministers in the name of presidential staffers. Just last week, You saw the number of deputy ambassadors, unprecedented in the history of this country. Unprecedented in the history of this country. The same President Mahama, 24th September.
But there have been appointments of deputy ambassadors.
How many are there? How many? Put them side by side. Italy. A deputy ambassador to Italy? Ice man, this become job for the boys. Go and check.
Appointments has become
job for the boys. Otherwise, a small country like Italy. I haven't seen deputy ambassador to Italy. Look at the list. Soon they will be pointing to Togo. Already there's one for the Sahel region. We'll be having a deputy very soon. We're making mockery of governance. President Mahama is in China. You remember he said you give 30% of women appointment to his cabinet. Today, 10%. Yet he's in China to champion the women's right and advocacy for women in governance.
But the appointment, the 30% doesn't mean only cabinet.
He said
no.
He didn't say that. Please get the fact.
He said appointment in my government.
Please, he didn't say that. I've given you a specific date and time. At the launch of the NDC Women's Manifesto, 30th September 2024, he said 30% of women will be in my cabinet. He didn't talk of appointment. In any case, all his appointments put together, they are only 22%, 22.1% of women in his government. So if you want to stretch the argument, but he was specific, I was going to put 30%. Look at the Galamsey, the embarrassment situation we find ourselves. Galamsey.
You left it in the West State.
We didn't.
Left it in the West State.
Didn't leave it in the West State. We didn't. And we expected it to be better.
It was one of the reasons why you lost the election of 2024.
Oh, if that's the reason why we lost the elections, then I can beat my chest to say we win the next elections. Because the hypocrisy of the NDC has been so exposed. Were there not the people telling you that they should declare state of emergency? Today, a CSO speaks, they tag him to be NPP. The people who were calling for a state of emergency, they sit in cabinet today. What advice are they giving the president? Have you forgotten that they said if a president has the will to fight Galamsey, within 1 week he can fight Galamsey? The last 8 months of NDC administration, they've registered over 1,900 excavators at the port when they want to fight Galamsey. Were they not the NDC who said when they come today, the double track system, within 2 weeks, they will abolish the double track system? What is happening today? And they also said that the buffer stock, they will not give the money to buffer stock, they will give it to the headmasters. Okay? Today, the economy is being run artificially. They have to be injecting huge sums of money. And President Mahama had told us that over 4 million Ghanaians are engaged in small-scale mining. And it constitutes the biggest chunk of our foreign exchange today. They cannot fight it. My message to NPP delegates, let's hold together and let's go through this process. We'll win power.
Abuja for NDC for 2 dead. And throw mu try omo did CV Ghana for a G2 me and omo 2 dead. Moba Kaya NDC for na some more taika and they say Kufuadwa buy. And Dr. Baumia at the CV Ghana for. With promise, I promise yes, every constituency will be given a year $1 million for developmental projects. NDC for a year who a cat to Ghana for 3 months as I see cano and na yehwehwe mpuntunjuma saizika krono ye de ya yehune baabia. That was what they said. Ema to Ghana for ni bi etrim ema omo de to abati NPP ebi nso agina so o manfa nkoto aba na ene NDC for nankasa expose you omo. Yes, give time some time, and vindication is in the womb of time. Realities of governance anytime expose NDC for. One we could tell that's the way if you Northern Development Authority. One of the 3 authorities are Ekufuadwa by establish now implement it and I say use $1 million per constituency. Sikano. Now Mobekaya Ekufuadwa establish BBI infrastructure for poverty alleviation program. Infrastructure for Poverty Alleviation Program, IPEP. And basically what they did in says 1 million the constituency biano. Almost the diseases who are dying, sanitation facilities, check compound, and just say enema be brave. Now and then this year by Northern Development Authority for natural crata say Sa project na Ekufuado at the $1 million per constituency year no. Omo at the sa projects ni na share respective assemblies in insa. Omo they share respective assemblies in insa. It is a letter way. They are basically admitting say ampa. Now there was a program your friend of $1 million per constituency. Now indeed sa policy no sikana ekoye emomu use the projects. Ankasa sikana ankwa aganya de omo be chokrata we. As a project ya disikana ye nyina no. Omo transfer the ama district assemblies and so on so. Ankasa sikano ankwa in fact there wouldn't even be projects in the first place for them to even write such a letter. In Ghana for some of how NDC for a deceiving me say sir I per project we near Taika was but Ghana for said that. And as some